Right, so we've got the pistol squats. Now I'm going to take you through the movement cues that we're taking Danny through. So, Danny, first of all, you just stand on your right leg for me, please. So as he stands on his right leg, you might see the knee wobble in, which is what we don't want because that can start to encourage hip impingement. So movement cues we're going to give is, Danny, I need you to fix your big toe down into the floor. This strengthens the arch. And now from here, I want you to grip the floor as hard as you can just to solidify that in. And now from here, Danny's going to push his right knee out, keeping good alignment in his spine by keeping his tummy button above or below his sternum, his chest bone. And from here, he's just going to dip back and touch his bum to the wall. Good, and back up. And down again. Good, and back up. He's going to be doing that for 3 times 10 repetitions, keeping good concentration on keeping his hips nice and open and nice and aligned. One more, Danny. Good, and back up. Perfect.